In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Gantt chart in Microsoft Planner. We'll be using Microsoft Planner's timeline view, which gives you a Gantt-style visual layout of your project tasks. This is especially useful when you want to see how work is scheduled over time, track progress more clearly, and get a better sense of deadlines and task overlap. To get started, open Microsoft Planner and look for the option to create a new plan. Go ahead and click Create a Plan. This is where you begin setting up the workspace that will eventually display your project in a timeline format. Next, choose Premium Plan. This is an important part of the process because the timeline or Gantt-style functionality is tied to the premium planning experience. If you don't see the same layout right away, just make sure you're in the area that supports Premium Plan features. After that, select Project Management. This template is designed to help structure projects more effectively, and it gives you a strong starting point if you want to organize tasks in a way that works well with a timeline view. Using a template can also save time compared to building everything completely from scratch. Once you've selected that template, click Use Template. This tells Planner that you want to create your new plan based on the project management setup. Now, you'll be asked to enter a plan name. Type in the name you want for your project. Make it something clear and easy to recognize, especially if you'll be managing multiple plans later. A descriptive name can make your workspace much easier to navigate. After entering the plan name, click Use Template again to confirm and create the plan. At this point, Microsoft Planner will generate your project using that template and bring you into the newly created plan environment. Finally, look for the timeline option and click it. This is the key step that takes you to the Gantt-style view. In the timeline, you'll be able to see your tasks arranged across a calendar-style layout, making it much easier to understand duration, sequencing, and overall project flow. And that's it. By creating a premium plan, choosing the project management template, naming your plan, and opening the timeline view, you can quickly create a Gantt chart in Microsoft Planner. If you plan to manage deadlines, dependencies, or multiple phases of work, this view can make your project much easier to understand at a glance.